Will Chamisa be the next Zimbabwean president? This question stirs the political pot in Zimbabwe as the nation braces for another presidential election. The answer, as with most political forecasts, is not cut and dried, but rather a complex interplay of strengths, weaknesses, and the unpredictable winds of public sentiment. Nelson Chamisa, the leader of the Citizens' Coalition for Change, is a charismatic figure with a strong following. He is known for his eloquent speeches, youthful energy, and his ability to connect with the younger generation. His focus on change and progress resonates with many who are tired of the status quo. His vision for a prosperous Zimbabwe, free from corruption and economic stagnation, is a compelling narrative that has garnered him substantial support. However, every political figure has their Achilles heel, and Chamisa is no exception. His youthful exuberance, while a strength, can also be seen as a lack of experience, especially when compared to his main opponent, incumbent Emmerson Mnangagwa. Critics argue that Chamisa's promises of change are vague and lack a clear roadmap for implementation. His party, the Citizens' Coalition for Change, while popular, does not have the same level of institutional strength as the ruling ZANU-PF party. Furthermore, Chamisa's path to the presidency is not without obstacles. The disqualification of candidates, including the only female candidate, Linda Masarira, has sparked criticism of the nomination fee as discriminatory and anti-democratic. A new independent candidate, Saviour Kasukuwere, a former minister in Robert Mugabe's cabinet, has emerged as a contender. This could potentially split the opposition vote, making Chamisa's road to the presidency even more challenging. To summarize, Nelson Chamisa's bid for the presidency is a complex interplay of his strengths and weaknesses. His charisma, vision for change, and connection with the youth are significant assets. However, his perceived lack of experience, the vagueness of his promises, and the potential splitting of the opposition vote are notable challenges. Whether Chamisa will ascend to the presidency in the upcoming election remains to be seen. The political landscape in Zimbabwe is fraught with unpredictability, and only time will reveal the next chapter in the nation's history.